In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a list of products. There are two ways to do this. One way is to go to the Invoices module on the left-hand side of the screen. Once in here, you'll see at the top right, you'll have the option for sales codes. If we click in here, we'll see a list of our sales codes, and we can add as many as we want just by adding in a code in here. The other way to get access to this is if we go to the settings menu on the left hand side of the screen. If you scroll down to lists, you'll see you'll have the option here for sales codes also. So once I click into here, we can see to add in a new code, it's automatically gone to the next one for me, as you can see, because it's 4905 is the last one. I can overwrite that, so I can type whatever I want in here. So I'm just going to call this 4002, and I'm just going to call this stock. And I'm going to add that in as a new sales code. Now, if we go back in to our invoices module and have a look on the top right hand side and go to sales codes, we can now see stock is listed in there. If I just click into the stock code, we can see at the bottom of the page you have the option to add in products. So if you just click add product, you'll then be able to choose the name. So we're just going to put that this is a bath. We can see that the parent code here is stock, and then I can pre-fill that rate. So we're just going to put the price of that is we're just going to put £250, and the description that you want to appear on the quote or sales invoice. So I'm going to put bath, and also you can choose the VAT rate as well. And then I'm just going to create that as a product. And we can now see that listed. It automatically has created the code for me. And then all I do then is just go to add another product. And we can just say this is going to be a shower. And I'm going to pre-fill. And we're just going to say that is £100. And I'm just going to type in shower. And we can see that's now listed. I'm going to do one more. So add a new product in. And again, we're just going to say this is a sink, pre-fill the rate, and we're going to put sink, create a product. Now we can now see that there's 3 products listed against my stock code. So if we just go back into invoices on the left hand side, and if we go back into our sales codes on the top right, we will now see that my stock code has got 3 products listed against it. What that means now is when we click into a quote or an invoice and we go choose that as a code, so I'm just going to go create a new invoice at the top of the screen. We're going to add some line items in here. Now if I choose 4002 and we go and choose our stock, it creates another column where we can go and choose our product. So we can say bath, shower, and sink are the 3 codes we added. We can see the description that I put in has come through to the invoice, and also the value has come through as well. Now at any point, if you want to overwrite this information, you can, so you can still free type in the description in here, and if you want to change any values, then you can. And then if we save that, that's how easy it is to generate a quote or an invoice once you've set up your stock codes within the software.